Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, man, and I'm bringing you a different little setup here, man. I actually had to switch the angle up on this product, man. I went and bought me a nice little cheap desk from IKEA, but this is all I needed for it to do. But what did we get in the mail today, man? I got a bag today in the mail. Here it is, bag from Tocode. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out for Tocode for reaching out to me, saying that they will send me a bag to review on this channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what the features, man, because this is a big bag. It looks like you can get a bunch of stuff up in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and start off and try to see if I can find every zipper on this thing. I didn't overlook this bag before the video, so let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can locate all these zippers. So first place, man, I know I already see this one right here. You do have a nice little deep packet up in here. Now that goes pretty deep in there, man. You can get my whole hand is in there. So that's a nice little pocket. You can put whatever you want to put up in there, a couple phones or anything like that, man. Moving on to the second part, if I can see under this little flap, you can unzip this and boom, you got some stuff here. It doesn't go too deep, so you can put a few things in here. Like I said, it's really not too deep, but you can put a few pieces of tech in there if you got it. I don't know if you want to put like a little camera lens or something in there, like whatever, whatever, man. This bag is definitely good to hold down some tech when you're traveling. Next part, let's go ahead and zip this. This is the second level zipper, I guess if you can say it. This was like the first, second, this may be the third level zipper. But opening this up, man, we do get a flap right here. Now this is not too deep. As you see, my hand is only going there a little bit, but you can put a few things up in there. Little packets here, just like you get in your standard bags, a couple pins, another little slot right here. And this actually goes all the way to the bottom of the bag, man. So that's pretty good to see this port, which is not even the biggest section, go all the way to the bottom of the bag, man. So you might be able to fit, I don't know if you can even get like a MacBook, a small Air or something up in there, MacBook 12-inch. You might can slide that up in there, man. But I like about it because it is protected and you can strap it all, boom, back down like that. Let's go ahead and get to the big portion of it, man, because this is where you're getting all your stuff at up in here. So here is the main cabin of the bag, man. Now, I don't have a laptop to pop this bad boy in. I mean, I have my work computer, but I don't need to be doing all that on the camera. But you can fit up to a 15-inch laptop in here. My man J Will did this same video on this bag, and he did fit his 15-inch computer in here. So that's good to know that it can fit a 15-inch. And in the side note, you can probably slide maybe a small iPad or something up in this secondary pouch. Pretty dope too, man. So you can slide some stuff up in there. Now you already see what we have sticking out, man. We do have the USB cable. We're gonna get in that in a minute. And flipping over to this angle, you get two more little pockets right here, man. So you get a little zipper, boom, little zipper. So you got two little zipper pockets, a little SD card. I'll put some SD cards in here. And it does come with a lock, so you can lock down this bag if you had to check it or anything like that. You can lock down the zipper on this bag. So zipping those up, man, that's basically it for that cabin. So let's go ahead and get to the actual USB. Now this does come with a little USB slot right here. So what you can do is you can plug the USB up into your external power source, boom, put this in your pocket, and then you can also connect phone or whatever technology or whatever piece of anything that you got. You can pair it up and charge it while you are wearing the book bag. Just slide this up in here, zip it up, and then you good to go, man. Throw it on your back and rock out, man. But you already know, good heavy duty package right here. You got the straps. I mean, you really got everything when it comes to this case. You got the carrying handle, super nice case, and you can also got the little pouches on the side, man, if you want to pop a drink, pop some snacks, whatever you want to pop in here, man. But I think that is the bag. I don't think I have any more slots in there. You do get a little slot for a headphone. Now I know we live in this Bluetooth age. We really ain't messing with the old school headphone jack. But if you got some of them high quality headphones, they do have a slot to where you can, charge your device, put it in there, run your headphones through this port, and use your headphones, man. So this is the travel backpack from Tocode. Once again, a huge shout out for them, man. I will leave the price up in the little top portion. It probably should have already scrolled past, man, but check the website because I'm pretty sure they may have some Black Friday deals. Now they do offer plenty other style bags, so definitely head over to Amazon, check them out, and definitely pick a bag up for them, man. But yo, Technically T, definitely hit that like button, comment down below, and definitely hit that subscribe button if you rock with your boy, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Later.